trust me.
Alright, now that's the cow.
Things were not going well. And then they got worse.
Oh, God in heaven.
You've got a side road there you can park on. I know. Yeah. It's not like primary school, so it's a high. At the roundabout. It's a high traffic area.
Go straight on. God is with you.
Well, good. You've heard of complaints. Come be with us tonight and tomorrow and Sunday and every day.
Come on, man.
But yeah, let it be prayer that we can sit tonight because we need you and you're not showing up. Or you are showing up and we can't see, hear you or identify you. We've got a side road there you can park on. I know. Yeah. It's not like primary school, so it's a high. At the roundabout. It's a high traffic area.
Go straight on. God is with you.
Well, good. You've heard of complaints. Come be with us tonight and tomorrow and Sunday and every day.